What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back at it again with another Glueless Wig video, and this time around we're reviewing UNice Glueless Wigs. Let's just jump right into it and transform this into I have UNice box hair. This is my first time ever trying them, quite honestly. I've never tried UNice hair, so this is going to be the first time for the both of us. If you're looking into trying them, this is going to be our first, right? So let's go ahead and unbox. For me, I am 8 months pregnant, right? And you know, when we're pregnant, we want to do the minimum to our hair, right? This is literally how my hair been. I haven't had the energy to do my hair. Why not, you know, slap a wig on, a nice wig at that. When ordering the hair, they send it to you in this red box, and I had already like opened it a little, but I didn't look at the hair, so it's gonna be the first time I'm looking at what's in the box. Actually, they send these goodies, and I love me a company that sends these essentials when it comes to installing a wig, right? So they're gonna send the HD wig cap, and we love a good HD wig cap. Lashes, I love me a good lash. They also send the wig band. This, like, if we're going glueless this time, like, we're not adding no adhesive, no spray, no nothing. This is a 30-second slap on a wig and go, okay? So we technically won't need this, but in the future, if you buy a wig and you want to melt the lace, you do need yourself a wig band. Also, they sent, I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Oh, nice. It's in a brush. So that's nice. Normally, most wig companies do send this to store your wig in when you're no longer wearing it. They also sent, I believe this is a mirror. Yes, nice. It's a nice little compact mirror to add into your purse. It's very nice. Love the red color. Onto the wig. So I haven't rocked a nice little long curly hair in a very long time. So they sent me a 24-inch curly wig, and I must say it is glueless. And if you're anything like me, I don't have time to be braiding my hair back. Like, again, this is supposed to be a throw it on and go wig, okay? Let's emphasize on that. Wear and go. This is the wig. It is, again, a 24-inch curly wig. The great thing about this is that it's already pre-plucked and pre-cut. Look at the pattern. This hair is beautiful. And then this is beautiful. Now, when it comes to curly hair, you can kind of get away with like your hair not being fully flat, but when it comes to straight hair, you want your hair to be flat. Like, if you even have to add gel to your natural hair to make sure it is no humps or anything like that, make sure you do that, or else your hair would look extremely big. You don't want your straight wigs to look like you're wearing a hazmat hat, you know what I'm saying? So this is the HD cap that they sent, so we're just gonna go ahead and comb this hair of mine. Yo, my hair is flat, and look, I just broke it. What in the world? That's a lot up here. Do my best to secure it down. It's not, but let's just try it. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got it as flat as we can. I was trying to wrap it like I would normally wrap it when I get my hair freshly pressed, but it wasn't working. So what I did was brush it back, and then I flipped it up. So this is how it's looking. And if you know you're gonna keep wearing this wig like for the next few days or a few weeks, just keep the cap on, so that way you're not having to go through that struggle, because again, this is supposed to be a wear and go in less than a minute wig. Now that we got our stocking cap on, let's throw the wig on. So what I like to do with the wig is I like to take the cap first, and then I kind of like flip the inside in a sense, like flip it out. So I take the cap, make sure it is just like this, and then I secure the cap, secure the band, and then I take the back. You see how it's like kind of white casted? In order to fix that problem, what you can do is grab a makeup brush and use your foundation concealer, that's your skin tone, and kind of blend that out. And that's it. Either that, or if you have a lace tint like I do, you tint it. But this is how it looks. Again. And the hair is beautiful. And again, this is not supposed to move at all, okay? It's supposed to be quick and easy. And this is by far one of the hottest summers, so even if you did put glue on the lace, it'll probably melt off because it's so hot outside. But this lace is not going nowhere. Let me show you. You literally can go on a roller coaster with this probably, and it will not move. Let me go ahead and fix the lace to match my skin tone, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so in case you are my skin tone, I'm using the Studio Mac Fix finishing powder. I believe this is an NW47. Can't really see the back because the sticker peeled off. But I'm using this blending brush, and what I ended up doing was just dabbing it in and then just blending out that harsh white line, and then eventually it'll blend together. Once you fix it, you can even go in darker if you need to. And then I'll use this skinny brush, dab that in, and then like I'll fix the part to make sure it looks like it's my scalp. So that's what I will do when it comes to these glueless wigs, and I just want to wear and go. And again, this hair is gorgeous. I'll have the hair linked in the description, so you guys, if you guys would like to purchase, you guys are able to. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Like, look at the texture. You could do so many things with this. Like, again, when you go in there and fix it. Okay guys, let's go ahead and style this. Something that I would normally do with curly hair. Alright, this is like a cute little style that you can do quick and easy. I know this is probably lopsided, but this is something I wanted to kind of show you guys. And then you just go in with your makeup and then just blend out harsh. And if somebody can peep out your lace, they're too close to you, okay? Tell them to back up. They shouldn't even be that close to you. And adjust as needed, you guys. This is a cute style. Now you guys can add baby hairs if needed. I think baby hairs will probably be real cute with this style, but I'm not a baby hair type of person. I've attempted doing baby hairs on my other wigs, and it doesn't do well. It doesn't go well with me. Well, I don't do well with doing them, let's be honest. So this is cute. And again, if you're like me and you're expecting having a glueless wig, you're not one to want to get your hair braided, putting too much tension on your scalp, I'm telling you, getting a glueless wig is probably the best thing to do for your scalp right now. The length, when it comes to curly hair, you do want to make sure you get something that's over 20 inch. Again, this is 24 inches and I'm 5'7". And this is where the hair stops for me. And you could do so many different styles, styling. You could do so many different styles when it comes to like longer curly hair. But if you have shorter curly hair, you just do a bob, you do the flip over method. You can do the same thing with this hair. Like if you wanted to take the pigtails out and then do like some sort of flip over method, give you that like real messy like style, and then like you can kind of comb it out to give you that like big hairstyle. You can do that too with this length. But I think this flip over style looks better with shorter hair, but you can probably pull it off with longer hair too. So this is like a style you can do. You could do the half up, half down style, bun style. There's so many great styles that you can do with glueless wigs. So like, don't ever think that you gotta throw on a glueless wig and then that's it. No, style it up. So far this wig is beautiful. This is probably by far one of my favorite curly hairs. Like I'm like running my hands through it and there's like no knots, no tangles, no nothing. This is beautiful. Again, I'll have it linked in the description. This hair is giving Sierra in the Get Up music video. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, I'm loving this. I'll definitely be ordering from UNice hair again because they did not disappoint. Look at that. Like, look at it. Look at the curl pattern. I wanted to show you guys how exactly it looks fresh out of the box. No trimming. Didn't put no water in there. No dyeing it. Like, this is fresh out of the box. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked. Like, what? Now, this is what companies really need for people who don't have the ability to trim, pluck, all that stuff. Like, I can do that, but listen, I'm pregnant. I don't have time for that. And then when you have kids, you don't have time for that, especially if they're still young. So you want something that's quick and easy, and this is what this is giving me. Okay, this is what this is giving me. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more of these type of videos, reviewing wigs, letting you guys know what companies are great, which ones need to work on, because right now I don't have any cons for UNice right now. Like, the hair came fairly fast. I believe I got it within like 3 days. That's also a win in my book. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.